Hey y'all, it's Sekoya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am demonstrating how I got these nice cute little beach curls. It was a very quick and simple style. It's just a little half up, half down style. If you want to do something with your hair but don't know what, this is a quick go-to. All it took was maybe 10-15 minutes to wand curl, so probably 20 minutes in total with the putting your ponytail in and parting and all of that, but I didn't show that part on camera, but that's fine. So the brand that I'm using today is Duvolle, and this is the Duvolle Pro Series. I'm using their wand curler, and it's a very thick wand curler. It has a 360-degree swivel cord. It is a professional salon model, 100% titanium barrel. It does have instant heating and variable temperature control. It goes from 265 degrees Fahrenheit to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. It's easy to read, color LCD display, and what that is as it's heating up, it will display red, but once it gets to the desired heat setting, it displays blue. And so I really like that about it. When it's off, it says off, and when you're ready to turn it on, like I said, it goes to red. You press the plus sign or the minus sign depending on what degree you want to go to, and then once you get to your desired degree, you allow it to heat up. As it's heating up, it's red, and then once it gets to the heat setting that you want, it turns blue. So I think that that's pretty cool. It does have the ergonomic soft touch handle, infrared heat technology, cool tip for easier styling, and it does come with a glove. And most tools that you use to put any kind of heat on your hair, whatever, to straighten, to curl, most of those tools will come with a glove, especially the ones that you have to reinforce with your opposite hand. So I think that that's cool. I did burn my neck while using it, but it's not the company's fault, it's my fault because I knew it was too close to my neck, but I just left it there. So, you know, things happen. But I do like this hairstyle, and I'll be rocking it. Ooh, my head is itching. Ooh, my nose itching too. Everything itching. But yeah, I like this hairstyle, and I'll be rocking it for not that long because I have to shampoo my hair because I've had my hair straightened for 2 weeks, and that's a long time. So it's definitely time for a shampoo, but I definitely did not want to shampoo my hair and not straighten it again before showing y'all this product. Definitely check their company out if you continue to watch the video and you find that you enjoy it, or if you want a wand curler. They have flat irons as well and other tools on the site that you can check out. The company's link is in the description box to their website, so be sure to check them out. If you purchase any products, you can definitely use my code, which is Sekoya, which is my first name, and how you spell that is Sekoya, which you should know because that's the name of my channel here on YouTube. So use that code if you want 70% off on any products that you plan to purchase. Just continue to watch the video if you want to see how I achieved this style. If you do like the video, definitely don't forget to like. You can comment if you like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching in advance, and I will see you next time. Hey y'all, today I'm going to go ahead and try my best not to ramble as I always do. But I'm going to be using the Duvolle Wand Curler. It is brand new. It's the Duvolle Pro Series. I already have my hair, you know, basically together. It's already half up, half down. All I have to do is curl it. Alright, this wand curler does come with a glove, and I got the professional curler, and I believe this is like 2 inches. It's really thick. It's really thick. So, you know, I'm gonna have like big waves kind of. I'm just gonna go ahead and slip the glove on, and I'm gonna turn the curler on. So we're trying to get to 430. It actually shows as it is heating up, and I like that as well. So I'm just gonna sit this here on my desk, and I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair while that is heating up. Actually, I think I'll go ahead and do the top first. I've had my hair straightened for like 2 weeks. I don't know, it's been a minute, but it's really stiff, as you can see. I'm tired, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wand curl it, because this video was supposed to be done a while ago, but I got sick, you know, in the holidays and such. So one thing that I noticed is as it's heating up, it's red, but then once it gets to the desired temperature, it goes blue. So that's pretty cool, and it does show that it's 430 degrees Fahrenheit now. I'm going to be using holding spray, and this is the Got To Be Glue holding spray. There we go. There we go. Now let's see how it works. Yep, pretty big wavy curls. I'm going to do 3 at the top. These are not curls, they're more so waves. Alright, put that to the side so I can do the back. And obviously these sections are not going to be small at all. Whoa! It happened. Alright, now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and turn the wand curler off. To turn it off, you press it and hold it, and it will say off. Simple. Then after that, I'm going to just run my fingers through to separate the wave, because I was going for beach waves, especially because the wand curler is so large in diameter. The holding spray has it a little crunchy and stiff, so I'm going through with my fingers to minimize that. There we go. And that's basically it. A very quick and simple style. Of course, I already came to you with my hair half up, half down, but it's still quick and simple. It didn't take long at all, especially if your hair is already straight. If you liked the video, definitely check out their link in the description box, and do not forget to use the code Sekoya on their website for 70% off. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.